Okie dokie. Now, it's a bit noisy, sorry, started on the motorway, but gonna make our way into Canary Wharf. I don't think we've been there before, so let's have a little explore together. So that was probably a bit noisy. So we're going to have a little ride, a little explore together through Canary Wharf. Canary Wharf's sort of like east, southeast London city centre. Not very far, and it was built up to be the financial hub of the UK and London specifically, but the UK. So pre-COVID, and even now, if you can see on the camera as we go through, you'll notice it's a lot of banks like Barclays, HSBC, etc., etc. Now the key, oh there you go, Barclays and HSBC right in front of us. The key for me right now is to figure out how to get in there. It's been a while. I'm gonna guess it's not this way. I think I should probably turn around. Let's have a look. Okay, looks like we're okay. So this area as well used to be a port area. It's all built around the old docks. There's an area here called Millwall, a very docking focused community. It sounds funny to say, but it is what it is. Yeah, a football team as well. Yeah, I don't know what else I'm supposed to say. But yeah, so they built up the financial district maybe from like 2001-ish onwards, I think. And it's just sort of consistently grown since then. And about 5-6 years ago when I first moved here, I looked in the area, but it was very much like a FIFO, like a fly in, fly out sort of situation for a lot of the workers. The companies would pay for them to stay there Monday to Friday, and then they'd either, drive home, get the train home, fly to a different country, and then come back again Monday. I guess the benefit of earning hundreds of thousands upon millions, and also being hired by a bank looking for the world's best talent, that's sort of the benefit you get, I guess. Let's slowly make our way in. Have a look around. But yeah, what I was saying is I was looking at moving in here, but first thing, the rent prices were absolutely ridiculous. I think even a one-bed apartment, you were looking at maybe £2,500 to £3,500 a month. And then when I would sort of come in during the weekends, it was just dead because everyone left. So you're sort of paying a premium to be closer to work rather than paying a premium to be in a community that has things going on and stuff to do and all that sort of stuff. But over the years, I guess they've noticed this and slowly been building out like activities, little exhibitions here and there, more restaurants, more things to do during the weekend. So it's definitely becoming a better place to live rather than just work. Every time I get overtaken by an electric bike, it grinds my gears. I'm just like, that's not fair. If you're gonna overtake me, do it with your legs. Give me justice. Give me overtake justice. Vape Lagoon. What on earth? How do they come up with these names? Vape Lagoon. Like I'm on a bloody beach in Mexico, having a little lagoon chill and vape. Also, what the hell am I on about? Gotta learn. Maybe just be quiet sometimes. See if we can get over into the business district section. It's just been a while since I've been here. I think I can maybe turn right. No, that's a hotel. Let's see. We'll find it. Really nice restaurant up there. Fridays. Oh. Electric bike overtake. Give me justice. Not having it. Not having it. We need to get number plates on electric bikes so I can memorize the electric bikes that overtake me and then track them down and overtake them back one day. Is that crazy, or is that sounds reasonable? I think that's reasonable. Surely. Where am I going? Might take this little footbridge, unless we can go this way, which it looks like we can. Let's do this. It still kind of feels so quiet. You know, everyone's in their offices mostly and stuff. But it's just dead. Hey, James Hype. How you going, bro? I love you. love your shows, man. Keep it up. Have a good one. There you go, fucking sick DJ. I don't know if you've heard of him. If you haven't, go check out his stuff. I think he does like a residency in Ibiza at the moment. Has a YouTube channel as well. It's James Hype.
Say respect one more time. Everyone else is counting the people.
Yeah.
To try and
just paid for a family holiday.
All right, bit of foot traffic. Probably shouldn't have been riding through there, but wanted to have a little gander. Let's see where we can go. Should we follow the cops? See what they're doing. We can pull them over for something. Maybe, maybe not.